What 3 books have changed the direction of your life?
The one that I've read most recently that's had a massive impact on me is The Creative Act by Rick Rubin.
Oh, I haven't read that. I just saw it.
So good, man. Really? I mean, he just defines the creator and the process of creating art so well. And he talks about how everyone is an artist.
Yeah.
And I believe that's so true. Like everybody's got their own God-given talents.
Yeah.
And they're able to create their own art. And it's just the way to create art is to not be so focused on what people are going to think about it, but more be kind of true to what you want.
Yeah.
And if you create something you love and you're proud of, then other people are going to love it too. But if you're out there trying to create stuff that other people are going to love, then they may not like it that much, and you may not like it either because it's not authentic. It's not authentic to you. So that one was huge for me. I mean, if you're talking about books that have impacted, I got to throw Rich Dad Poor Dad on there.
Sure.
I know you probably get that one every episode, but
I
that
still
one
say it.
goes without saying. I mean, it just kind of turned my brain on to like how this whole real estate thing could change my life. Another one is War of Art.
I love it.
War of Art. I read that one, just blew me away. I probably read that one 3 or 4 times. It's just such a cool book.
When we started the tribe, we sent that to every single person that joined the Better Life Tribe.
Right.
I think we've probably paused it at this point, but we sent it to 1,000 people. Got Stephen Pressfield's War of Art.
Should be required reading in school.
Yeah, we had him come speak to the tribe too as well.
Oh,
The
really?
very first like financial
amazing.
freedom hours, we had him come speak. Yeah, he's a. Yeah, War of Art. By the way, just so people aren't confused, it's not the Art of War,
which
is the Chinese
which
war,
is also a good
which
book.
also but this is the War of Art,
Yeah.
which is I think it's required reading for anybody in any sort of
amazing.
entrepreneurship.